So 131 kids died in Kiambu level 5 because of the ongoing issues between doctors and the county government.
Reports of newborn deaths at the Kiambu Level 4 hospital have deepened the standoff between the Doctors Union KMPDU and the Council of Governors, with both sides now trading blame.
And now, the Council of Governors has come out to deny and say that this is all a lie.
The Council disassociates from the headline about the death of 136 babies and categorically states that it is not factual.
So people have lost children, actual kids, and some families have even confirmed.
Citizen TV has obtained files of 34 patients who are at the Kiambu Level 4 hospital between May and August this year, with random calls to 7 of the patients confirming they lost their babies at the facility.
And now the county government, with its chair, is coming out to say that this is all a lie. Can you imagine you have lost your kids? And then you hear the government, the county government, which has not come down to the ground to verify any of these things, saying that this is all a lie.
Mambo ya Kiambu haiongeleki kwa hizo ofisi zenye watu wanaenda kupanga watu kupeana pesa ati ndio hadithi zitolewe za uongo. Mambo ya Kiambu inafanywa hapa kwa wananchi. Kama uko na mambo yako kuja hapa kwa wananchi waeleze na useme ukweli.
I think we made a very big mistake to take all these health services to the county government. Because if the county government cannot even carry out investigation and they want to politicize this and say that all this is being caused so that the services are moved back to the national government, it makes you wonder, are they doing this for their own benefit or are they doing this for the Kenyans? Is it for the Kenyan benefit or is it for the county government's benefit? Because yes, I know health services have a lot of money. There's a lot of money in health services. And that's why the Council of Governors is staying put and staying strong with their lie on one side, saying that this is all hoax.
The Council disassociates from the headline about the death of 136 babies and categorically states that it is not factual.
There's no figure that the Council of Governors has actually relayed to Kenyans. But the doctors have come out with evidence to say that this is actually factual. Citizen TV itself has done its own research and can actually confirm that some of these numbers are true. The Council of Governors has not done anything. So this is what I'm trying to say. Kenyans, we have to think about the people who we are electing as governors and as leaders. Because this is what is going to happen year in, year out. We are going to lose our own kids. Right now, you may be a Gen Z, you may be young enough, you don't really think this is actually affecting you until you have your own kid and you lose them because the government cannot pay the people who are supposed to give you services, the people who are trained.
Present here are members of parliament from Kiambu County. What is unfolding is not a temporary disruption or administrative hiccup. It is a systematic collapse driven by negligence, arrogance, and the remarkable failure of leadership under the governor, Kimani Wamatangi. For months, the country's health infrastructure has been paralyzed by persistent doctor strikes. Instead of pursuing dialogue with health professionals, the governor has adopted an openly confrontational stance marked by threats, intimidation, and public posturing.
The more we elect leaders who are not qualified, leaders who don't really think about you and your interests, you as the voter, that's what I mean, we have a big problem. A very big problem. Starting with Kiambu. Kiambu has a very big problem with the governor that we have currently. Because you can't have hard ground saying that this is a lie while you don't come out with your facts. If he came out with facts and say this is the actual number of children that we've lost due to this strike, we would actually use that number, use that form, use that data to come out and confirm with the people on the ground if this is actually true or there's something wrong with the numbers. But they don't come out with the numbers. Those numbers are not being relayed to Kenyans. Why? Because there's a lie somewhere. And it is unfortunate that we are talking about it as numbers. But these kids have names. These names belong to some family. And these families are affected in one way or another. So be very careful who you vote for. Be very careful who you call your leaders in the next election. But for now, I hope that we are able to uncover what actually happened in Kiambu and what is happening in Kiambu, and we don't lose any more lives.